अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इकोनॉमिक्स एमसीक्यूज की नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ अपने चैनल से। फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स का हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वो है फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन। इससे पहले कि हम मजीद प्रोसीड करें, मेरी आप सब दोस्तों से ये गुजारिश है कि मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ और मेरे चैनल को भी लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि मेरी आने वाली हर वीडियो से आप भरपूर फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें। स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा आज का टॉपिक बेसिकली है फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन का, लेकिन हम एक छोटा सा ओवरव्यू आपको देंगे कि बेसिकली ये फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हैं क्या और प्रोडक्शन किसको कहते हैं। सो व्हाट इज अ प्रोडक्शन? प्रोडक्शन refers to all the activities undertaken to provide goods and services for satisfying human wants for which people are willing to pay a price. Basically, there are two types of production. One is production of goods and second is supply of resources. Factors of production. All things which we need to produce goods and services are called factors of production. Traditionally, the economists have classified into four categories and two major categories. First one is primary factors. In primary factors, we have land and labor, and second one is secondary factors. Secondary factors, we have capital and entrepreneurship or organization. Basically, we have four types of factors of production, which are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship or organization. MCQ start करते हैं. Labor is hireable, but you cannot hire. Options are capital, land, manager, or entrepreneur. And the right answer is entrepreneur. Labor is hireable, but you cannot hire entrepreneur. Three broad types of productive resources are: options are money, profit, and interest, capital, labor, and natural resources, labor, stocks, shares, and deposits, and D, technology, land, and markets. And the right answer is capital, labor, and natural resources. Three broad types of productive resources are capital, labor, and natural resources. Land means options are sea, surface of earth, natural forests, all natural resources. And the right answer is all natural resources are called land. Economic development of a country requires: options are skilled labor, diplomacy, abundant natural resources, or A and C of above. And the right answer is A and C of above, as economic development of a country requires skilled labor and abundant natural resources. Productivity of land can be raised by: options are extensive cultivation, farm mechanization, improved seed, or B and C of above. And the right answer is farm mechanization. Productivity of our land can be raised by farm mechanization. Land as used in economics. Options are: is a free gift of nature, is unlimited in quantity, is not hireable, or excludes ocean. And the right answer is free gift of nature. Land as used in economics is a free gift of nature. Which of the following is not an input? Options are labor, entrepreneurship, natural resources, and production. And the right answer is production. Production is not an input. Which of the following input factor take risks, innovates, and coordinates? Options are labor, entrepreneur, capital, and productivity. And the right answer is B, entrepreneur, as entrepreneur take risk, innovates, and coordinates. Which of the following is correct with respect to resources? Options are money is a capital good, human skills are a labor input, entrepreneur is a part of labor input, or natural resources include human input? And the right answer is B, human skills are a labor input. The transformation of resources into economic goods and services is called. Options are technical efficiency, input, production, or increasing returns. And the right answer is C, production. The transformation of resources into economic goods and services is called production. Economic goods produced by a firm are called. Options are productivity, innovation, technological progress, or output. And the right answer is D, output, as economic goods produced by a firm are called output. Land is options hireable, not hireable, homogeneous, or a form of a capital. And the right answer is hireable. Land is hireable. Geographical mobility is not possible for. Options are land, labor, capital, wealth. And the right answer is land. Geographical mobility is not possible for land. The following is not a factor of production. Options are land, labor, money, entrepreneurship. And the right answer is C, money. Money is not a factor of production. If a firm increases the ratio of capital to labor, it becomes more. Options are labor intensive, capital intensive, output intensive, or input intensive. And the right answer is capital intensive. As if a firm increases the ratio of capital to labor, it becomes more capital intensive. Which is true? Options are labor produces land, land produces labor, labor produces capital, or capital produces labor. And the right answer is C, labor produces capital. An example of natural resources is factory, skilled doctor, oil reserves in the ground, or oil reserve in the storage tank. And the right answer is C, oil reserves in the ground is an example of natural resources. Production in economics means options are factors of production, doing some job, output of goods, or profit. And the right answer is C, output of goods. Production in economics means output of goods. Natural environment that supports productions of goods and services is included in. Options are labor, money, capital, land. And the right answer is D, land. Natural environment that supports production of goods and services is included in land. Productivity of land can be raised by. Options are decreasing farm size, intensive cultivation, better marketing, or increasing money supply. And the right answer is B, intensive cultivation. Productivity of land can be raised by intensive cultivation. Standard of living of a country can be raised if it increases. Options are labor force, production, money supply, exports. Standard of living of a country can be raised if it increases production. For production of goods, we need factors. Options are few, two, four, unlimited. And the right answer is four. For production of goods, we need factors four. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly like and share my video and subscribe my channel as well.